Hey guys, Xiaomi will be launching its new camera-centric CC series of smartphone on July 2 in China. The MICC9 and MICC9E will be the first in the company's new CC smartphone series meant for the youth. Now, ahead of the launch, Xiaomi CEO Li Jun has shared a couple of photos of the Xiaomi MICC9. The images only show the rear panel of the phone, which comes in a white color. At the back, we can see that the MICC9 features a vertically aligned triple rear camera setup. The camera setup is paired with a LED flash. It is expected that MICC9 will come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, as the photo shows that the phone does not feature any rear mounted fingerprint sensor. There is also Xiaomi branding at the left corner on the back of the device. The right side of the phone has a volume rocker and a power key. The top edge of the phone seems to feature a 3.5mm audio jack and a SIM card slot. The specification of MICC9R: it will have a display of 6.39 inch with Full HD Plus resolution, which is an AMOLED display. It will be powered by Snapdragon 730. Chipset with 6GB and 8GB of RAM. Coming to the camera section, as I said before, it will sport a 32MP of front selfie camera to take amazing selfie picture, and a triple rear camera setup of 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor and a 16MP of secondary lens and a 12MP of third sensor. This phone will have an 4000 mAh of battery with the 27W fast charging support. There will be a Type-C port and in-display fingerprint scanner, and we have to wait till July 2. And in India, it is coming or not, we still don't know anything about it, or it will be rebranded to another name and will be launched in India, Thailand and other countries. So this is all about MICC9. If you like MICC9, please comment in the comment section what you feel about MICC9, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.